Hi, I'm Stephen Cruz, Senior Barista at Anthem Coffee. I've been here at Anthem Coffee 1 Bonifacio High Street for 5 months. Starting the day, I go to the store and set up everything. The lights, the coffee machines, syrups, ice maker, and making sure the store is ready for customers. The first thing that makes me smile when I finish setting up the store, I get to make my coffee. It also makes me smile when I make latte art and I see customers taking pictures of it. It shows their appreciation and satisfaction in my work. The most important thing when dealing customers is to remember the top priority is to make them smile. I do my best to satisfy their preferences on their coffee and what they want, like making it hot or warm, with less ice or sweetness. I make sure that when they leave the store, they are happy. As a barista at Anthem Coffee, I learned more about discipline, patience, teamwork, and responsibility. I practice these characteristics in my everyday work. Here at Anthem, customer service is one of our top priorities. The best thing about a barista here at Anthem, I see our customers coming back for our coffee. It's nice to know that they appreciate our coffee, and some of them even became regular customers. It shows that my hard work paid off.